Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix JBL Soundbar won't turn on, power supply and button reset fix. Fix 1. Check the power supply. Make sure the power cord is firmly connected to both the soundbar and the wall outlet. If your model uses an external power adapter, ensure it is securely plugged in. Try a different wall outlet to rule out a faulty socket. If you are using power strip or surge protector, connect the soundbar directly to the wall outlet instead. Fix 2. Perform a power cycle. Unplug the soundbar from power. Wait at least 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds while unplugged. Reconnect the power cord. Try turning the soundbar on again. Fix 3. Check for signs of power. Look for any indication that the soundbar is receiving power. Check whether any LED lights appear on the front panel. Listen for startup sounds. If nothing lights up, inspect the power cable for damage. If available, test with another compatible power adapter. Fix 4. Reset the soundbar buttons. Many JBL soundbars can be factory reset using the physical buttons. From JBL bar series models, turn the soundbar on. Press and hold source plus volume up plus volume down minus for at least 5 seconds. The soundbar should power off and reset. For JBL Cinema, SB110, SB120, SB130, SB140, SB160, SB170, SB190, SB260, SB270, SB510, SB550, SB560, SB580, SB590. Turn the soundbar on, press and hold source plus power for more than 10 seconds. The soundbar will restart and reset. Fix 5. Disconnect external devices. A connected device can occasionally prevent proper startup. Unplug all HDMI, optical USB and aux cables. Leave only the power cable connected. Try turning the soundbar on by itself. Fix 6. Check for hardware failure. If the soundbar still won't turn on, try another power outlet and power cable. Look for visible damage to the power cord. If there are no lights or signs of power after all reset attempts, the internal power board or adapter may need service. Fix 7. Contact JBL support. If the soundbar remains completely unresponsive after performing the above steps, the internal power board or power adapter may have failed. Note your JBL soundbar model number, record any LED behavior or error messages. Contact JBL support for warranty, repair or replacement assistance. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon.